Generally, consequential damages, also known as special damages, are damages that don't ordinarily result from an injury but are based on the specific circumstances of the injured party. In addition, in a breach of contract case, parties may only recover consequential damages if their specific injuries were a foreseeable result of the other party's breach at the time of contracting. But what if a party suffers damages due to a breach based on his failure to perform under a separate contract with a third party that the breaching party didn't know about? The Washington Supreme Court considered this question in Sprague v. Sumitomo Forestry Company. In the summer of 1980, Clyde Sprague entered into contract negotiations with Sumitomo Forestry Company to sell and deliver timber from his land in Enumclaw, Washington. During negotiations, Sprague explained that due to his precarious financial situation, he wanted to perform the contract as soon as possible because he had prior commitments. In August of that year, Sprague and Sumitomo entered into a contract where Sprague agreed to sell and deliver logs to Sumitomo. Sprague insisted that he'd deliver the logs that year. Shortly afterward, Sprague began to perform. However, by mid-October, there were problems with Sumitomo's sawmill. As a result, Sumitomo told Sprague that it had to cancel the contract. Subsequently, Sprague sued Sumitomo in state superior court for breach of contract. After filing suit, Sprague mitigated his damages by selling the logs to different purchasers, but didn't notify Sumitomo of his intention to resell the logs. Following trial, the jury found for Sprague and awarded him damages based on the difference between the contract price and resale price, as well as incidental damages. Specifically, the jury awarded him roughly $171,000 for the loss of 11 weeks of logging time caused by the delay in Sprague's contract performance with a third-party buyer. As a result, part of the jury's incidental damages award was actually a consequential damages award. The court then entered judgment on the award for Sprague. Sumitomo appealed to the Washington Supreme Court. After concluding that the trial court correctly awarded Sprague damages based on the difference between the contract price and resale price, the court shifted its focus to consequential damages.